Hi, I'm Miss Starling. I'm one of the cosmetology teachers here at South Shore Technical High School. I want to tell you a little bit about our program. I'm sure every teacher that you hear from will tell you that they have the best shop, but don't let them fool you. We are the best, and we definitely have the most fun. In a nutshell, cosmetology is the study of hair, skin, and nails. Graduates from our program can expect to be hairstylists, estheticians, makeup artists, nail techs, or use their education as a springboard for college and study things like medical aesthetics, dermatology, or pretty much anything that they choose. In exploratory, you can expect to come in and learn just a little bit about everything that we do here. You will learn some basic hairstyles, different braids, nail art. You'll learn all about basic skin, nail, and hair care for yourself and for others. You'll even have a chance to play with theatrical makeup and learn how to make scars and fake wounds out of everyday household supplies. Once you're in our program, you will spend the next 3.5 years learning all of the tools necessary for you to be successful in the beauty industry. Among many things, you will develop a diverse digital portfolio filled with an array of haircuts, hair colors, makeup design, and various event styling looks. One great thing about our program is that we are a professional license-based shop. What that means is that while you are in our program, you will be earning accredited state board hours. And once you've reached the 1,000 training hours mandated by the state, you're eligible to sit for your state board license exam and become a licensed cosmetologist. With that professional license, you're eligible to work in any salon or spa in Massachusetts. And upon licensure, our students have the opportunity to participate in South Shore Tech's co-op program, where we currently have connections in many salons from Hanover to Newbury Street. I hope that you've enjoyed learning a little bit about our program, and I really hope that to have an opportunity to meet many of you in person soon. Thank you.